Here is exactly what we do to get to our first $500 consistently every single day with ClickBank affiliate marketing without ever showing our faces. So if you want to have results, here is how to do it. In 2025, the most important thing you can do for yourself and your family is to have small affiliate business that generating income for you every single day while you are sleeping, while you are on vacation and you go out. Okay, you don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You can have this on the side working 20 to 30 minutes per day. Okay, it's basically all done for you once you have the system up and running. So it usually takes 3 to 4 days to get it up and running, and after that it's basically done for you system. Now this will allow you, to have freedom in your life. Why? Because you can spend 30 minutes per day setting up campaign, but you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step to set it up. Because as you can see, most people who buy $3,000 or $5,000 courses, they don't get one-on-one support. Okay? There is much more to it in 2025 than just having a nice graphic design, nice landing page. It's about buyer's psychology, understanding you need the right message to the market match. If the message is wrong and the audience is wrong, no matter how much money you spend on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, you'll lose money. Why is that? Someone can go to the gym and get six-pack, and the other person goes to the same gym and gets overweight. It's because, not because of the gym, it's because of the system, the plan they're following, right? So same thing here. If you don't understand, there are low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, there are males language patterns and female language patterns, and that buyer psychology for female is different than male, then you will not be able to get sales. Okay? So you have to understand, why can we spend $25 per day and make $100 back or $200 back? It's because we know economics and the math behind affiliate marketing. We know, okay, if our average order value is 100 to 200 US dollars or even $500 per sale, okay, with the upsell take rate. So I know, yes, I can spend even $100 today and I make $500 back today. Why? Because of the upsell take rate. I know the math. Same like casino. Casino, no, they will win. The house always wins, right? So they can afford to spend money. Now you understand how this works with affiliate marketing. Once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, or the Zoom call, show you the campaign, set it up with you, yes, my friend, you can make $300, $600 per day, every single day, net profit, not revenue, net profit every single day, sustainable passive income. It's doable. Now later you can reach out to me on my Instagram or on my WhatsApp. Yes, I'm giving you my cell phone number. I'm giving you my email, my Facebook Messenger. You can reach out to me, Facebook group for free, but only if you're serious. If you seriously want to fast forward yourself and get results. I would much rather pay $10,000 to someone to teach me and show me exactly how it works to fast forward my life 5 years, 10 years in the future. So I don't have to waste my life and time learning on my own, making my own mistakes and spending even more time and money. Okay? I used to be so stubborn, and then I paid someone few $1,000s to show me the ropes, to show me the ways few years ago, and thanks to that I was able to now travel to over 66 countries. Okay? 66 countries because of affiliate marketing. I share everything on my YouTube and my Instagram. So if you're serious, if you really want to make it happen in 2025 and go beyond, let me know and let's make something happen.